Greetings, everyone. I'm Laura Stanciu from Romania, and I am thankful and grateful to IDYM Foundation for inviting me here today on this special day, the World Environment Day, a day to talk about the planet and how grateful we should be. World Environment Day is meant to raise awareness about biodiversity, about how important it is to protect all living things on this beautiful planet. We were lucky to be born on the most special, on the most full of resources planet in the universe. But instead of being grateful, and instead of protecting it and caring for it, doing everything in our power to protect it, we are wasting its resources. We are hurting our home with our actions. The earth is our home, and just as we take care of the house we live in, we have a responsibility to protect and care for our planet. Not only for us, but for the future generations, because they must be able to breathe fresh air, to walk through forests, and to see animals enjoying their natural habitat. Right now, the earth is suffering from damage and degradation of land due to human activities. Deforestation, desertification, pollution, the destruction of ecosystem, and the killing of animals. All these actions affect the delicate balance of our world and threaten our existence and the existence and well-being of all the creatures who inhabit this beautiful world. Almost 75% of the Earth's surface has been altered by human activities, and this has a negative impact on all wildlife, on the cleanness of the air and water, the quality of the soil, and the weather patterns. Around 1 million animals and plant species are threatened with extinction, and we have already lost so many. One of the problems that our world is facing today is climate change. Rising concentrations of greenhouse gases produce an increase in the average surface temperature of the Earth over time. Rising temperatures may produce changes in precipitation patterns, in the severity of the storms, and in the way the sea level rises. Collectively, this is commonly referred to as climate change, and we can see it more and more in different parts of the world. Deforestation is again one problem which has a very negative impact. Because we cut down so many trees, there are less plants to take up the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Trees and all green plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis. Plants also carry out the opposite process, known as respiration, in which they emit carbon dioxide, but generally in smaller amounts than they take during photosynthesis. The surplus carbon is stored in the plant, helping it to grow. But when trees are cut down and burned or allowed to rot, their stored carbon is released into the air as carbon dioxide. And this is how deforestation and forest degradation contribute to global warming. According to the best current estimate, deforestation is responsible for about 10% of all global warming emissions. People often talk about whose responsibility it is to protect the planet. We put this responsibility in the hands of the government, of different authorities, but the truth is that we each play a role. And it is time to stand together because we have to act as a global community. We have an obligation to do whatever we can to help the Earth and to raise awareness about the health of our planet. This is a message that one of my students wants to share with you, a message about how important trees are and all plants to our environment.
Hi, I'm Lavinia. Forest loss and damage is the cause of around 10% of global warming. There's no way we can fight a climate crisis if we don't stop deforestation. We need to protect forests now more than ever. So be more responsible.
Yes, it is our responsibility. The responsibility is in the hands of everyone, including children. We need to empower the young generation. We need to teach them how important it is to take care of our planet, to take care of Mother Earth. And through small actions, we can do something to help our planet. Involving students in projects that help the planet, that teach them to take care of the environment, has taught me that no voice is too weak and no action is too small. Every person should have the right to speak up and share their thoughts and ideas. The children of today are the adults of tomorrow, and it is never too early to plant in their young minds the seeds of responsibility, sustainability, equality, and peace. An action that might seem insignificant because it is done by a child can have a great impact in the future. The children of today will make a drawing, write a poem, or a message of peace. The next year, maybe they will clean a forest of rubbish. Maybe they will write a more serious article or plant a tree. The next year, they will take action, recycle, spread awareness through their words and deeds. As they grow, their actions will become more powerful and inspiring, and they will be more motivated to help the environment and save Mother Earth. We tried to raise awareness about the problem the environment is facing. We recycled, and of course, we planted trees. And this is one of the poems written by one of my students. Our planet. We have a blue planet, beautiful, full of life. It's made up of everything we need, and it's our home. We have many beautiful flowers growing on this earth. Why not let them bloom? Why destroy them? Let's protect nature, be it an animal, a plant, or an insect, because nothing is more sacred than our entire earth. The world is becoming colorless. Everything is in motion. Going on a one-way road, slowly our planet dies. Thus, man, with your own hand, you destroy everything you love and everything that loves you. Choose your actions carefully, and together, let's save our precious earth. Remember that the earth gives us the energy we need through the fruit, vegetables, and all food that it gives us. It gives us the air that we need to breathe. It gives us all the resources we need to survive. It gives us the trees, and it is our home. So let us help it with our hearts and our actions. Planting trees is the best way to help our planet. So let's do this. It's not difficult, it doesn't take a lot of effort, but it means a lot for our planet and for all of us. Let's save Earth together with little actions, recycling, taking care of our homes, living more sustainably, and planting trees. With each action, we make the world a better place. Let's save the earth together. Thank you so much.